In this lesson, you'll learn how to set up the new client form and add a new client in Shortcuts. The new client form is used to fill in the client's details when you add them into Shortcuts. To open a new client form, go to the Client screen and press New. In the top right corner, there's a drop-down list which allows you to choose a quick or detailed client entry form, or you can select the All option, which allows you to fill in every possible client detail. To customize your client entry forms, go to the Setup menu and select Configuration. On the left navigation panel, click on General, then select Clients. Click on the New Client Layout tab in the top right corner. This screen shows all the options that can be included in a new client form. Place a tick in the Quick column for each field you want to include in the Quick client form, and do the same in the Detailed column for fields you want to include in the Detailed client form. Please note that the items you tick in the Detailed column will be the same fields that are used in your online client information cards. You can also place a tick in the Mandatory column for any fields you want to make mandatory. You can click and drag on the grey tiles to change the order that the fields are displayed in. Towards the bottom, we have our opt-in options, which allow your clients to choose if and how they receive various types of communication from your business. Accept Medical Data Storage allows the client to consent to having sensitive data such as skin test results stored by your business. You can make this option mandatory if you wish to. Accept Marketing allows the client to choose how they wish to receive marketing materials from your business. Accept Appointment Confirmation affects how the client will receive appointment confirmations and reminders when they make a booking. Please note that the email option in this section applies to both online booking confirmations and Shortcuts Fusion email confirmations. Accept Loyalty Communication allows loyalty members to opt in or out of loyalty notifications. Accept Ratings and Reviews affects how clients will receive rating and review requests from your business. You also have the option to display your data privacy policy in the new client form and allow clients to accept the data privacy policy. You can make this option mandatory if you wish to. At the bottom, we have 3 checkboxes available. Here we have the option to prompt to accept the data privacy policy on checkout. If you've chosen to include the data privacy policy acceptance in your new client layout, ticking this option means that existing clients will not receive a prompt to accept the policy until they reach checkout. And you can use these 2 checkboxes to make it mandatory for at least 1 name and 1 phone number to be entered. The other 3 tabs at the top relate to specific types of data collection. If you wish to collect information such as occupation, age group, and referral method, you can create preset options that can be selected when entering these details. For example, if I wanted to create a new referral method, I would go to the Referrals tab, then press New. In this example, I'm going to add Instagram as a referral method. Then press Save. When you're finished making changes, press Done. Now that we've finished setting up our new client form, let's see how it looks when we add a new client. I'm going to fill in the Quick client form. As you can see, all the fields that we just added are now showing in the new client form. Depending on the data protection laws in your region, the opt-in fields will either be ticked or unticked by default. You'll notice that there's an asterisk next to the privacy policy field, meaning that this field is mandatory. Here we have the option to view the data privacy policy. It's up to you how you choose to display this to your clients. For example, you may wish to display it on screen or have it printed out. In this example, the client is over the age of consent, so I'll select the first option to accept the privacy policy. If the client was under the age of consent, you would need to select the second option and enter the consenting parent or guardian's name into this field. When you're finished making changes, press Done. Now if we look at the client's card, we can see the information that was entered in the new client form. You can view more details by clicking on the Info button. Here we can see information such as the date when the privacy policy was last accepted and when the client card was last updated. Now that you know how to set up the new client layout, you can customize this to suit the data collection processes in your business.